Hey guys, Michael from Jonard here with some of our latest products, the DBC-3818 and the DBC-3824 3/8" combination drill bits. Today I'll be showing you the features of these products and how they work. So what's cool about these drill bits is that both of them have a combination tip which can cut through masonry and wood. So there's no need to change out the drill bit anytime you want to switch materials that you're drilling through. These are also Bellhanger drill bits where they have holes on either end here and up here where you can tie wire or cable to it and then push it down or pull it up through the hole that you just made. When you're ready to use your drill bit, you have to attach it to the drill. Just do this by holding the collar and tightening it down until it clicks, like that. If you're drilling through wood, you want to be on the high drill speed setting, and if you're cutting through masonry, you want to be using the hammer drill section. Now I'll show you how to use it. Again, you want to use the high drill speed setting while you're doing this, and there's no need to use the hammer drill feature. Once you've drilled completely through the wood, you can tie a wire or cable at the end of either side of the drill bit and pull or push the drill bit through to snake the wire through the hole. If you're drilling through masonry, make sure that you have a hammer drill and it's set to the hammer drill setting. This will make it much easier to drill through the concrete or masonry that you want to get through. Finally, tie the wire to the end of the drill bit, like so, and pull the drill bit out from the other side to snake the wire through the concrete.
Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.